everyone! So today's video is going to be a hotel room speed clean, and this was supposed to be part of my previous vlog, but it was way too long, so I thought I'd do it as a separate video. Obviously when you clean a hotel room you don't fully clean it because they do it anyway, like they employ people to do that job, but I just thought I'd share with you what I did, like the packing and all that kind of thing. It's not perfect, but
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause
that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very random, spontaneous video to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then let me know down below in the comments. Like this video, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.